Hello, this is Betty Bray with 4th Generation Software, makers of Fitrix ERP. This product video describes the various order types available in Fitrix that can be used when entering sales orders. Fitrix comes with the following order types. CRM, credit memos are used to give credits to your customers for things such as pricing errors or overcharges. CSH, the CSH order type is used for counter sales that you receive cash for. When the sales order is invoiced and posted, the cash account is credited rather than an AR open item being created on the customer's account. Debit memos are primarily used when you have charged your customer a price that is lower than what it should have been. Direct orders are orders that will ship directly from your vendor to your customer. When this order type is used, a purchase order is automatically generated to the primary vendor for each item on the sales order. The direct ship to warehouse order type is similar to the DIR order type with one exception. It will first be received in your warehouse for inspection and then shipped back out to your customer. Future orders are for orders that will be shipped at a future date, so they do not commit inventory when they're entered. When you are ready to ship, you simply change the order type to REG. The QUO order type is used to process a quote for your customer, and these too do not commit inventory. Once the quote is accepted and you are ready to ship, you simply change the order type to REG. The REG order type is used on orders that are being shipped out of your distribution center. When the sales order is stored, inventory is committed to the order. The RMA order type is used to process returns from your customers and are linked back to the original sales order the merchandise was shipped on. RMU is like RMA, but it is not linked or attached to the original sales order. The WEX and WRP order types are used to reship merchandise that was returned via an RMA or RMU for product that is covered under warranty. This concludes the sales order type presentation. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to give us a call at the toll-free number listed on our website or email us at info@fitrix.com. Thank you for your time.